Hi guys, General here, and we have an issue here. We can't get into our phone. And if this happened to you and for some reason you have forgotten your passcode, or you entered a passcode by playing around with your phone, or someone gave you a phone and you don't know the passcode, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Well, so far as you can see, we don't know the passcode. We can try different passcode, but none of them working. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. Well, what we can do a force restart, and then we can prompt the phone to go into recovery mode. So for us to do this, we hit the volume down and the power button. So you want to hit the volume down and the power button, then you switch. So what you're gonna do here, slip your finger down to the Bixby button and hold the volume up. Those three buttons, volume up, the Bixby, and the power. This should take us to the recovery mode here. And when it takes us here, what we need to do, we just need to down select the volume down, and we go on wipe data factory reset. If it happens that you have your Gmail account in your phone, you will have to put back in that Gmail email and password. So we are going to factory reset the phone, and then we are going to do a reboot now. So guys, this is definitely how you can get rid of that password. If you forgotten your password, you will also lose all files on the phone as well. So it is just for us to do a reset and put back in the Gmail account if needed, and then you're free to use the phone and enjoy. So you can see now that Android is starting, and here we go.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by... Let's look at the terms and conditions. Wi-Fi would be quite handy.
Skip.
Choose a net.
Skip anywhere. Don't copy. Next. Accept. Skip. Skip anyway. And
log into a Samsung
skip.
account to get the most out of your...
Skip. Next. Accept. Accept.
All right.
Finish. Just 1 sec. And here we are finished. This is how you get rid of that passcode pattern or whatever lock that you have on the phone, fingerprint or face recognition. This is how you can get rid of these locks. Guys, my name is General. Do like, share and subscribe.